Welcome back to this channel, Speech on Success for Teachers to Speak in the School Morning Assembly. And the speech is: successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. I am Meenakshi and standing here in front of you to speak on success. Some of you have drive from inside to learn new things and explore new ideas, while some of you look into successful persons around you and get self-motivation to learn hard. However, this is not the case for all students. Maybe few of you require immense motivation and inspiration from teachers and parents to work hard. Well, why it's important to work hard? Hard work is an essential thing we all need in life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. Let me explain it with a very short story. Once, a man was walking nearby to a group of elephants that was halted by a small rope tied to their front leg. The man was amazed that the huge elephants were not making any effort to break the rope and set themselves free. He saw an elephant trainer standing beside them and expressed his puzzled state of mind to the trainer. The trainer said, "When they were very young and smaller, we used the same size of rope to tie them, and it was enough to hold them at that age. And as they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they can't break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free. Likewise, many people are not trying to work towards success in their life because they failed once before. It is the false belief of the elephants that denied their freedom for lifetime. So keep on trying and don't get tied up with some false belief of failure. It's true that success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Here I end. Thank you.